He needs to cool down a bit. Bro just reinvented the wheel. This is why we double-check the hydraulic system every single day. He came to work, the disaster came for free. One bad move and everything fell apart. Any physics experts in the house who can explain this one for me? Combining calculation with the skill, he gets flawless results. Yeah, I bet the paycheck doesn't cover that move. Still, he'd be the team lead. So much for Looks like he and the saw go hand in hand. Seems like he's found a hidden spot on the job site. Secure your footing or use a machine and never pull toward an open edge. Thankfully, that crane was run by remote, not in cab. A friendly reminder, never put 100% of your trust in a tile suction lifter. Not failed, just differently demolished. Rule number 1, stay on the structural supports. That's the lesson. A homemade faucet, that's actually impressive. Gravity is a one-way street. If you don't use a guide rope, the tree chooses its own parking spot.
Holy! Sometimes you get a title.
It worked, but we definitely don't recommend doing it this way.
Yep. There we go.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Pure rookie energy right here. Someone please get him a guide. Wheels are 4. Take it easy, bro. No need to crush the thing. Heads up, this job doesn't accept oops. Somewhere, a $10,000 peeler just started crying. This is exactly why periodic maintenance is non-negotiable. The perfect blend of human skill and machine power. The kind of mastery that turns work into performance. Making winter chores look easy and breezy. Just, he believes he can fly. The hands that shape progress, one task at a time.
Ja, mooi. Rustig zakken. Там сплошной небо. Но я посмотрел на дорогу. Ебаный в рот.
Doesn't matter how, as long as it works. I bet there's more whitewash on them than there is on the actual ceiling.